For decades, the fitness industry ran on a simple, unbreakable equation. Members paid a fee, put in the physical labor, and the weight came off. As long as a client's diet was dialed in, this reliable exchange of sweat for fat loss kept local gyms in business. Then, millions of people realized they could bypass the treadmill entirely. GLP-1 prescriptions flooded the market, offering chemical weight loss with zero physical exertion. The local weight room now faces a technological competitor, promising the same results with zero effort. The economic fallout was immediate. Gyms faced severe cash flow crises, and many closed for good. The consumer math was undeniable. An 8-week injection protocol achieved the same reading on the scale that used to require 6 months of grueling labor. While gym owners and the media wrote the industry's obituary, they overlooked the catastrophic biological toll these drugs take on the human frame. These prescriptions are actually manufacturing the most lucrative, kindly motivated demographic of members the fitness industry has ever seen. GLP-1s are highly effective at burning fat, but they are completely indiscriminate. Along with the fat, they rapidly erode lean muscle tissue. This chart breaks down the composition of that rapid weight loss. While total body mass plummets, up to 40% of that drop is healthy muscle. Over several months, that internal catabolism becomes impossible to hide. Structural volume visibly hollows out. Users who take these prescriptions expecting to look vibrant often end up staring in the mirror at what doctors now call Ozempic face, a gaunt physique that looks prematurely aged. The initial goal of looking physically fit often collapses into a desperate attempt to stop looking frail and unwell. Stripping away body fat without any physical exertion does not reveal a fit body underneath. It reveals a deteriorating skeleton, leaving the user with a completely different set of biological needs. At this stage, users hit a medical dead end. There is no pharmaceutical remedy, no secondary pill, and no counter-injection on the market that can rebuild atrophied muscle. A casual home workout app or a wellness spa retreat is insufficient to reverse this level of tissue erosion. Diet alone cannot fix it. There is exactly one scientifically viable mechanism left to save these individuals: heavy resistance training. Rebuilding lost tissue requires the biological stress of load-bearing exercise. By chemically stripping away muscle, GLP-1s circumvented the fitness industry's primary product, only to reinstate the local weight room as a mandatory medical necessity. This dynamic has flooded local markets with a wave of highly motivated prospects. Crucially, these are people who previously would never have set foot inside a gym. They are also highly qualified buyers. They are already conditioned to spend hundreds of dollars a month out of pocket on their physical transformation. Rebuilding dense muscle tissue requires a dedicated 6 to 18-month physiological commitment. By nature of the biology, these individuals generate significant lifetime value for the facilities they join. These aren't the fickle, unmotivated crowd that signs up in January and quits by March. They are premium buyers, actively searching for a permanent cure to a highly visible problem. To capture them, gym owners must make a permanent strategic pivot. They have to surrender the weight loss angle entirely to Big Pharma. The new positioning is muscle protection. Facilities must explicitly market themselves as the dedicated solution to the deteriorating side effects of the skinny shot. The window for this is narrow. The first facility in any given zip code to start selling generic fitness and start speaking to this invisible, desperate demographic will monopolize them entirely. Big Pharma can handle the shrinking scale, but only the weight room provides the biological foundation required to keep a body functional and alive.